If Duke could pull some bitches with a flip phone, the Rizz is immaculate. I'm telling you. Ain't no way. I don't know, chat. This might be this nigga kryptonite. This might be the nigga kryptonite. Nah, Duke, I ain't gonna lie, my boy. You might have met your match, bro. You might have met your match, bro. The unspoken Rizz carried you in the last video. I literally dropped a video on this a couple days ago. You were unmatched, nigga. You was going 30 for 30, my nigga. 30 for 30, my nigga. But you found your kryptonite. It's over. You're done. Oh! Where is he dressed as?
Are now entering a vibe.
This shit is 20 minutes long, chat. Alright, we gonna speed run this shit. Okay. Nigga had 90K. 900K. I said 90K. 900K is crazy.
Let's go, man. Y'all make sure y'all sub up, bro. Hey, the board say Q and Dirt, not fucking nothing, man.
That's crazy. Whoever put the board to that is crazy, bro.
Q and Dirt, not gonna
So is that one nigga, bro.
What do you think, man? You gonna hear something like that, man? Think you gonna hear something? What? I feel you, my brother. I ain't hearing nothing about that. Criminal. Huh? Smooth criminal. Smooth criminal. You try to back up me last night?
It's okay. Nah. The shit is coming to light, nigga.
Hey, look, man. Man, stop getting in trouble, man. Don't tell him what he
Tongue roll crazy.
my dog, though.
It's okay.
I need that right there.
Why do they still sell them shits, bro? It's crazy that they deadass still sell them shits.
God damn, baby boy. Hey, I just seen that video you put in my phone, man. What's up, my boy?
Oh, that was the shot, bro. Why, bro? Nah. If y'all watch the first video, Duke did, you seen Shawty. If you watch the video I just put up today, you seen Shawty. And Shawty's here again. Selling what, nigga? They're selling flip phones. Flip phones, nigga. Look. These got these bitches on display, bro. How you gonna have these bitches on display next to the motherfucking iPhones, bro? How you gonna have these shits on display next to the fucking iPhones? Why are these shits even in the window? These should be like the shits that you have in the back. For like when them random ass people decide to ask for it, bro. You don't just have that shit on display. Oh yeah, wait. Buy Bitcoin here. That might be a scam. I'm not gonna lie.
I need that right there. I need to give me one of these right here. What are you at?
Alright, let me go back.
Put in my phone, man.
But now look. That I know that's not Shawty. Yeah, cause she still got that same tattoo and shit. Bro, nah, everywhere. Yo, bro. My boy Case was good, my boy. No, she was in the video, the first ever video. Then the video uploaded today, she's in it. Now she's in this video. Bro, nah, she really out here, bro. I mean, if you got a walking raccoon, wait, man. I mean, if you got a walking raccoon, you could probably get some bitches. I feel like that was racially motivated, but I'm gonna let it slide.
What's up, my boy? I just want to spend some money, man. Hey, I just want to spend some money, man. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of bitches with this flip phone right here, man.
Okay, if Duke, all right, chat. If Duke could pull some bitches with a flip phone, the Rizz is immaculate. I'm telling you, ain't no way.
Huh? Oh yeah, baby girl.
It's okay.
Shoot, baby boy. I do shoot, man. How many?
Tank giving you some tips? What you mean?
With this flip phone?
What the fuck you mean he's giving me some tips? The nigga said, I mean, if you got a walking raccoon, you could probably get some bitches. I don't know if that's racially motivated or niggas is just like crazy. The unspoken Rizz. Indeed, the unspoken Rizz. But Yanko, this nigga bought a flip phone. I don't know why the fuck flip phones are still on display. Nigga got grills and tattoos. Okay, yeah, he do got grills and tats. And he's tall. But look, listen. Wait, he don't need to speak. Okay, I mean, you still do need to speak. I'm giving you pro tips. Jay, shut the fuck up. Tank literally has a fetish with water in the ocean, bro. I don't know. If this nigga could bag bitches with a flip phone, he got it.
No, but you ain't gonna do nothing, man. You can't get no with this right here.
10.
Secure the number first. I'm like, hey, you got a boyfriend? Yeah. So let me get your number. Type boom. And when they say yeah, I'm like, oh, what the f is that?
Nah, then I guarantee you there's gonna be the females that be like, oh, you handed me the flip phone because you don't want to give me the real phone because you know the hoes be like, shut the fuck. Yo, if I hear that shit, I'm clicking off the video. I'm telling you, the video is over, and I'm gonna upload that bitch to YouTube. I'm gonna upload that bitch to YouTube just the way it is. I'm saying this right now. If I hear a female say that shit, the video is going off.
And then I'm like, hey, put your ID in there too. That motherfucker real? Nah, I just bought it for like $30.
$30 is crazy. Why is he pressing? Like, whoa! Why these shorties this bold? Where are you at? Oh my god, bro. See, bro. I can't compete, bro. Where I'm at, shorties are never this fucking bold, bro. They got the personality of a fucking McChicken sandwich, and you gotta do all the fucking work just for them to say no. Or not even give you a fucking answer, bro. Not gonna lie, face cam, I have no shirt on. It's hot as fuck. No shirt. Face cam, nah. You wanna see a face cam? Hey, watch my recent video. Play the damn video, Nick.
Nice eyes, man. Let me go get some numbers.
That's unspoken Rizz.
Hey, chat, man.
Wait, are y'all taking a picture? No. Okay. Can I take a picture?
Oh, yeah, you can take a picture.
Okay.
Come on. You know you're taking my picture for real.
You taking your picture.
I swear to God, he not.
Bro, you gotta really pose, though, bro. Y'all gotta pose.
Okay, hold on. Hand on the ass is crazy.
Still going. It's still and that's a video. This is real life.
This is real life. No. Failed RP, nigga. You broke the scene, bro. I mean, if you get a hamster on your shoulder, you could definitely pull a few baddies. Nah, I want a hamster. I ain't gonna lie, I want a hamster. Put that little nigga in the ball and shit, watch it roll around the room and some shit. Get the little tubes and shit. That ain't be cool and some shit. I want a hamster.
I gotta record. But you can't be in it.
He could be in it, man. He could be in it, man.
I could never. See, why they on their body like that? Thoughts on spring break in Miami is crazy. Yonko, you missed it. The video before this was crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
You gonna play me like that right there? Hey, you gonna play me like that right there?
That's your phone.
I ain't know but not, man.
I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if that's gonna work. Nah, that's crazy. I told. Whoa! Niggas is grabbing the ass while they getting the number. Niggas ain't even go on a date. That is crazy. I can't compete. I'm done.
I'm just doing it to see if I can, you ain't gonna get no number. I'm already knowing. It didn't work with you, but it's gonna work with somebody else.
Ooh.
I do need your number for real, though. You need my number? Yep. What's your name?
N-I-C-H-O-L-E.
I'm just gonna hit you with my name.
You gonna text me with your name? I can't do that.
Yes, ma'am. Bet. Say that, man.
Yo, dude, not gonna give it a number.
Nice to meet you, though.
Bro, it's Miami. Of course.
Hey, look, man, Duke be working, bro. His story is motivational, man. That boy came from the military, hustling. Now he
Okay. True fan. True fan. The face of a demon. Oh God. I pulled like 20. Wait. I pulled like 20 just because I had a black hamster on my shoulder. But I got shot by a cop and I couldn't pull no more baddies. What the fuck type of sad ass anime backstory did you just give me, my nigga? Want a black hamster on the shoulder is crazy. That's some anime type shit. But you got shot by the cop. Isn't it like Cash Nasty mixed with a fucking Florida nigga?
You think you gonna get
That's exactly what it is.
What?
They smashing it. And look, I'm not.
The hamster pulling his bitches.
I need
You actually smashed it.
yeah. Come on now.
Come on, man.
What? You be going crazy.
Don't cap, don't lie on your piece, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Real quick, Instagram, all that. I know they know who he is already.
Nah, but hey, man, my shit filming too, man. Make sure y'all go check out my dog.
Hey man, look, extra wavy, look. Remember the name. Remember the
they
face.
don't see
Be
you,
on
man.
the place, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay, oh, he got the rhyming, Dr. Seuss. Okay. Nah, that's actually
Hey,
fire.
the video gonna be so fire, but I need to learn how to keep my like laughing.
Cash Nasty mixed with Odell Beckham. Nah, that's crazy.
Be with a straight face. Whenever they say, "Bro, what the hell is that?" I'll be straight, but it's hard though, bro.
I don't even know if Duke can really act. Like, if he could act.
I got my gear.
Hmm?
What'd you say? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate
Why
it.
are the females so fucking bold, bro?
Man, I need to get your number or something.
I'm mad, bro. You would never catch a female doing the shit where I'm at, bro.
Phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you
Alright, man, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. No.
You can't
Yeah,
do
no,
it.
I'm doing. I'm trying. No, I'm trying though. I'm trying to keep a straight face.
I don't know, chat. This might be this nigga kryptonite.
I'm trying to.
This might be the nigga kryptonite.
You know what I'm saying? Female's number with the flip phone, but I keep laughing when I pull it out.
Yeah, you gotta stop laughing.
Yeah,
You gotta be more serious.
If I start laughing, I can get it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, type shit.
It's okay.
Next time I'm be straight up, nigga.
You gotta be like serious face.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
More serious.
Straight up type
You like,
shit.
you feel me? This is,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
Duke,
put-
can I
put-
get your number type shit?
Yeah,
You feel me?
yeah.
And then pull it out.
Yeah, without
And then
laughing.
she start laughing, you be like, man.
Like, what the fuck you laughing
Like,
at?
what the fuck you laughing at? You feel me? Give me your number. You gonna give me your number. Be like, I'm a fine ass nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Oh, word?
Okay.
Okay, bet. Say less. I bet.
W advice.
Your back toe, like,
I know a better posture.
Aiden, you see what you look at the grandma. I feel bad for the grandma. The grandma just had to witness that shit. I feel bad for the grandma. She just had to witness that shit. I feel bad for the grandma. Aiden, you're ruining these children. They hiding in the shadows, praying on you. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, who's hiding in the shadows? What the fuck you mean? I mean, females just walk up to me and what they friend, and they just start spitting game. I don't know where are you at, nigga? No fed shit. Where are you at? Because they don't do that here. That's Tank. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh! Where is he dressed as?
Fuck out you, boy.
Testing your limits.
Fuck out you, boy. What you is?
You want a picture of me, bro?
You a pussy, bro? Yeah. Yeah, I want a picture with you, my nigga.
I tried to skip past it. But he came into the video. Twitch, please do not take me off the air for that. That is a costume. I can assure you that was made out of 100% cotton and wool and all that other bullshit that come from the sheeps and shit. It was fake.
Thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture?
Of course.
Everybody just going crazy.
Okay. Yeah.
See, why the fuck do people have their mask on their wrists, bro? Yeah, no, it was a sandwich, bro. I was just joking. It was the whole time it was a sandwich.
Yeah.
Amaya.
Wait.
Sorry. What happened?
What's your name?
Amaya.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you.
too.
You got a boyfriend?
Damn. Okay.
Wait, was Kyler yesterday?
Yeah, but he gonna be here later.
Okay, thank you.
Damn.
Ooh-wee.
Or is that fan behavior?
Of course not.
Huh?
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You look good over there, bub. What's your name?
You see how niggas are pressing?
Desi.
Where you from?
Chicago.
Oh shit, some Chicago niggas just walked out, man.
They was finna get down on your ass.
Nah, they
Huh?
was cool ass niggas, bro.
Was they?
Yeah.
Do you want to take a picture of me?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes,
Oh no, wait. The bundles, you feel me? Forget a second. They all poofy. I was looking for you yesterday.
ma'am. Oh, you looking for me? Well, you found me, man.
I know.
You see?
How long you out here for?
You see? She wanted Kai. Oh gosh, she wanted Kai.
Yeah. What's going on? Stop playing.
Oh, man.
I hate when I hate when females have the fucking long ass nails and shit, and then they close their fingers, and then this shit just be like they make that little sound. Like you hear that shit? That shit just like, bro, nigga got talons, my nigga. Wait, she in Chicago? She live in Chicago. You in Chicago? Okay, I doubt it.
What's going on?
Like you see that? Like what the fuck was that? What the?
Man.
Yeah. What's going on? Stop playing.
Come on, dude. Come the fuck on, bro. I hate that too. Like that shit, just bro. It's just like, bro, like, and then they talk with the little acid like I the baddest bitch out here and shit. They be stretching the letters out and shit, and they, bro, that shit is fucking crazy, my nigga. Nah, he had paid some of these bitches. Ain't no way, bro. It's Duke fucking Dennis, nigga. And plus, most of these niggas know A&P. That's some hella shit. Bro, no, I hate when females get them long ass nails and they do that shit. Like, bro, that shit just like niggas got claws and y'all. That's scary.
Desi, say that shit twice.
Daddy, you got a boyfriend?
No.
I can have your number?
Do you have a
What?
What the fuck was that?
Do you have a girlfriend, nigga?
I'm out here talking to you on the
feel
show.
me? Yeah.
I'm in public talking to you.
I feel you now. I ain't got no boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that then.
Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. I live in Atlanta though.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Damn. They say shit like that.
Okay. A nigga ting in the trenches, fuck water buckets. I don't give a fuck, bitches. It's not this bold. Ain't no way. No. Zay, I literally was preaching this shit. Zay, you're literally, bro, we went to the same school. Nigga, I have never, it's rare if you see a bitch be this bold. They're not this bold, my nigga. I'm telling you, it's gotta be like, bro, it's like Florida. Niggas, bro, it's hot and shit. Niggas not in the right headspace, bro. I'm telling you, it's gotta be something, bro. She got velociraptor. Nah, I hate when they got them fucking claws, bro.
Put that motherfucker.
So,
Excuse me, sir. What's going on?
What you a drug dealer or something?
bro, y'all trying to play me like that, bro. What you trying to do? Yeah, man.
Goofy ass.
Oh, hell nah.
The phone up? What that say?
Nah, give me the real shit. Fuck you talking about?
Not the flip, not the
Give me the real shit.
I was just fucking around with you, see what you was on. That's it, bro.
I don't get no fuck if you got a little flip.
not the scamming line.
I was just seeing.
Nigga said the scamming line.
I know you ain't.
That face was crazy, though.
Oh shit, I tried to say my name, but I text you to my name.
That's cool. I know who it is.
It's Daisy. Daisy, say that shit twice.
I see you. You typed that shit twice.
We was looking for you.
Alright, say, I don't know the shit I can scripted. Niggas just looking for this. They just looking for this nigga? Gold diggers, probably.
Oh yeah, really? For the matter of fact, yeah. What's up? Yeah, can I get a
What
picture?
y'all was looking for me for?
Why else?
Oh shit. I like that.
She on you. She on you.
What's up? You got a boyfriend?
No, we gotta go.
Okay, nope. Nope. Put your number in this right here.
Nah, Duke, I ain't gonna lie, my boy. You might have met your match, bro. You might have met your match, bro. The unspoken Rizz carried you in the last video. I literally dropped a video on this a couple days ago. You were unmatched, nigga. You was on 30 for 30, my nigga. 30 for 30, my nigga. But you found your kryptonite. It's over. You're done. You can't do it. Okay, chat. If a nigga could bag a shorty, W plug, yeah, the YT, yes sir, make sure you go watch the videos. If you could bag a shorty while pulling out a flip phone, nigga, you're the Rizz demon, nigga. Fuck a Rizz god, nigga. You are on a whole different dimension of that shit, bro. A Walker Raccoon could pull about 30 bitches. Yo, Tank, what's with you and this fucking raccoon, bro? I don't, bro. You trying to be funny? Like you got it, bro. We get it. The raccoon could pull bitches, bro. The raccoon could pull bitches. Yes, the raccoon is cuter than me, nigga. I'm sorry, nigga. I can't do it. I can't do nothing about it, bro. Damn. You buried a trap on 6th grade. It's 6th grade, nigga. I'm talking about this day and age. I'm talking about present day, nigga. Present day, nigga. Nigga ripped me on his shoulder. Nah, that's crazy.
Where's the action? I need the action.
Where who?
Where's Phantom at?
Oh,
Sir, man.
Where's Phantom at?
hold on.
Hey, look, don't even worry, man. Don't even
Phantom, where you at? She want Chris?
New York.
Yes, sir. Hey, look, New York motherfuckers some good vibes, man. Y'all welcome.
Indeed.
Man. All y'all should, especially you.
Especially her. Yeah.
But yeah, nah, I got you, bro. I was just fucking around. I just fucking around with you.
Nigga said, yeah, I know. Hold on, that's crazy.
Hey,
Tell Phantom I love him.
hey, Phantom. Man, she love you, bro. She really love you, bro. She
Phantom, come back, nigga. AMP ain't the same without you, my nigga.
found me for you.
So I still doing a hookies with you? Well, I'm Dominican too. I watch your video online.
Okay. Back at the house. What's going on at the house? Nigga beefing over a charger? Nah, that's crazy. Niggas is beefing over a charger is crazy. I got plenty unlike you. Shut the fuck up.
Oh, you here? Okay. Hey, who is these goddamn?
No, I deadass gotta go. I gotta go to Miami for spring break.
I'm working. Hey, no, I'm over here working, man.
Nigga working and shit, yeah. Nigga shaking a cart.
But that's all.
Do you know how much ass has to be thrown in the vicinity for you to shake the whole go-kart, my nigga? That's an abundance amount of ass. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Go to your local mall and get some bitches. See, I would do that shit, but I don't feel like going to the fucking mall.
All it take, bro. Somebody start shaking their ass, the whole strip go crazy. No bullshit, bro. Miami is just full of niggas literally chasing after bitches like.
Indeed. You see, it's literally 5M in real life. And I'm not gonna be one of those niggas. I don't wanna go out of my way to do that shit. I don't wanna do that. I don't know why. Go to the clothing store. Nigga, this is not 5M. I'm not going to main clothing just to go talk to some bitches.
Literally chasing after bitches. You see me? I'm not going up to no bitches, bro. Not saying that it's anything wrong with going up to hoes, but I just can't find myself to just like
See?
chase after them, bro. And if they ain't coming up to me, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I don't give a fuck. Hey.
You see? And every time I say this shit, niggas be like, nah, bro, it's just because you don't get no bitches. It's coming from the nigga that has unspoken Rizz. Bro, you can't make it up, bro. 5M bitches is crazy, though. You don't even chase 5M bitches. What's the point of me chasing 5M bitches, bro? Bro? Yeah, it's entertaining for y'all, but deep down, I'd be like, bro, what the fuck, bro? And then what happens if the bitch actually try to get feelings and she try to have a long distance relationship? Her ass in fucking Canada and I'm over here in fucking... Bro, no, bro. I'm not doing it. Whole time could be kidding catfish. And y'all niggas don't give a fuck. Bro, the thick baddie be at the clothing store, not gonna lie. The thick bad... Nigga, every bitch in 5M has the same ass. What are you talking about, my nigga? That's because it's dude. With iced out grills, 1 million followers on IG, with 2 channels that has a mil, it's uncomparable. Indeed. But still, it's still coming from him. I don't care. You see that? Look, you see that? He was chilling. Bro, shorty walked out. What's up? What's your name? You see it? She cheesing hard as hell. You can see the indent on her face. She cheesing hard as a bitch, bro. Nigga Sugar Mario planning this shit out. Yeah, shut the fuck up, bro. I'm not... It's just common sense, bro. If I get into a relationship, I want an actual relationship. I want a long time shit, nigga. I'm gonna be dedicated to that shit, nigga. I don't play no fucking games. I don't hop from bitch to bitch to bitch to bitch, nigga. The fuck, nigga? That shit is corny as fuck. If you do that shit, I mean, yeah, go ahead, do that shit. But no, I'm not doing... That's not for me. I guess you meant to say do not. They do have the same ass. They all use the same jeans or the same leggings that have the same ass, bro. If he wasn't, wait, okay. Damn, nah, chat going crazy. Hold on, chat going crazy. Hold on, chat actually going crazy. Hold on, I'm not used to this. Hold on, I love the energy. Chat, W chat. Everybody in this chat, you a W. You a W, nigga. I'ma dap you up in real life. You know what, nigga? With the snap at the end, nigga. You a W, nigga.
I'm from Jasper, Florida.
Oh, so you from here? Where, baby?
No, it's North Florida, South Georgia.
It's far?
7 hours from here.
Where?
The sweet 5M bitches be wearing... Okay. No, nigga. They be mysterious, walking from out of nowhere. Oh, God.
Yeah, man, you need to put your number in my phone. Alright, chill, calm down.
See, bro? Bro. It's crazy, bro.
Probably tomorrow. I've been here since Friday. When you got here?
You been here since Friday? Nah, I just got here yesterday.
Like, where did she just come from? Did she just instant transmission into the fucking frame? Bro, I'm about to lose my voice, bro. I'm about to get mad, bro. That's-
Hey, where the black one? I want a picture too. Take me a picture.
Exactly, man.
She wanted a picture too.
Oh my god.
He around them motherfuckers.
Take my pic. How long y'all gonna be out here?
Shit till like Monday, Tuesday type shit.
Whoa. Whoa.
I know I was looking for old boy, but I want
She looking for.
a selfie. I don't want no picture. I want a video. I want to see the grooves in your mouth, honey. To see if they shining.
It's okay, bro.
Y'all know who it is. Y'all stop playing.
Bro got a hella tango line waiting for pictures. Oh God.
My homeboy throwing a party and shit, but what y'all got playing?
So we party. We yeah. We know what we want to do. Y'all heard close.
Oh yeah? I need to get your number or something, man.
Where y'all from?
You said what?
Where y'all from?
On my phone. It's right here, man.
You.
Oh.
No, what's your number?
I'll put my number in your phone.
You lying.
Bro, I don't think he can do it, bro.
I'm not lying at all.
I don't think it's possible.
I'm not lying at all.
But what?
I was just fucking with you with the. I didn't want to see what you was, you know what I'm saying?
I be playing. I watch your YouTube videos.
Oh shit.
Ain't nobody going for that, bro.
I'm telling you.
Ain't nobody going for the flip phone, man. There's gonna be one person that do that.
I already know, man. It's guys outside, no lie, bro. We just came out today.
Word.
We was here last weekend. 2 active, so we had to come back. We had to come back.
Oh God.
We had to like Monday, I think.
I'm just Monday.
My nigga C bangins.
Tired. 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 You mean?
Hell yeah, you see
Nah, I ain't seen him. I seen him last year.
He's finna be on his way. This one I'm waiting on.
Y'all already know y'all. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all. Y'all about to get stopped. OD. Nice to meet y'all, boys. So, my nigga.
Everybody running it. You know what, but in life, man, it's either.
Is that what happened with Davis? Alright, chat, if y'all watched the video earlier, y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. But yeah. Now a hamster with a flip phone could pull 5. If the hamster is holding a flip phone, the nigga is unfuckwittable. I can't do it, bro. I can't compete with a hamster holding a flip phone. Tank, do you honestly think there's a nigga in this world that could compete with a hamster holding a flip phone, nigga? You can't. You just can't, nigga. It's impossible. Impeccable, nigga. You can't do it.
It's either your time or it's not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody running, man. I ain't running, man. You know what I'm saying?
Real shit.
Well, you know what? Why everybody ran? That's understandable. I just hopped the fence, man. That's it, bro. I see you running too, nigga. Don't think I ain't see you.
running with the
Yeah,
camera.
I know, nigga. I see you running, nigga.
Hey, when you
Your
see
scared
somebody,
ass,
when you see somebody run, you
Your
get
scared ass.
Chat, what you doing? Y'all running or y'all staying? Y'all gonna be 10 toes or y'all running? I ain't gonna lie, I might take off, depending on the situation.
run, bro.
Hey, where my homeboys at though, man?
They going to be in that. Yeah. I saw them. Hi.
Bro, I'm about to get mad. Ooh, I'm about to get mad. I was about to throw this headset, bro. Where are they coming from? Well, where did they come from, bro?
What happened?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Fine as fuck.
Shit,
I'm sorry. I gotta give you another hug.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
I don't know.
Wow.
Hey, what?
They started shooting? It's crazy.
You went off stage.
My mama, you ran, nigga.
Oh,
My mama, this nigga ran, bro.
oh.
He
Nah, he put that on his mamas. That's crazy.
gonna say on my mama right there, bro.
On my mama.
I diss myself, but I'm not losing facts.
That you took off. You probably stopped, bro. Yeah, you definitely ran, bro.
Cap, right? This cap, ain't it?
I don't know. I saw you start. I saw you start to.
Cosby lurking? Oh, God.
Look. I did like this right here and jumped the fence, right?
I don't know. You jogged a little bit.
No, I jumped the fence out of the way.
Okay, well, look.
Hey,
That's what I'm saying. I see you. I
I'm
see you
running.
got there. You started doing shit. So I'm like, all right, I'm
Look, right over here, I came and jumped the fence. I caught him. I said, see me, chill.
Hey, you know what?
I stopped. Like, where the tree was at?
All right, bet.
Bro,
Oh, that's fire right there.
hold on.
What y'all got going on later?
Oh, they got the little shit with it.
Word, I need to get your number. Yes, ma'am.
Damn. Every time, bro.
Yeah, man.
Ain't no way.
Yo,
Ain't no way. 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 Anti start rating the females. Start rating the females. Chat, you want me to start rating the females? I mean, like, most of these bitches is valid. I ain't gonna lie.
yo,
Shorty fire. She got a nice smile. She's short too. She had the lip gloss on her lips. I ain't say shit. She get a solid 8, nigga.
yo, this it right here? Okay. I'ma definitely be hitting you up. Nah, dead ass though. Dead ass.
Show.
Huh?
Show.
Show?
Yeah, show.
Spell it for me.
S-H-O.
I fuck with that right there. I like
That's her name? That name's calm. I ain't gonna lie. She mid. Cause you like water.
But keep it calm, bro. What?
I said, this the one right here.
I guess I just gotta keep it calm, bro. I need to do a part 2 in Atlanta or something, right? Man, $70K for the part 2 in Atlanta, man. No cap.
70K. Let's see if you actually got this shit. Hold on.
Number with this flip phone right here is crazy.
Oh God.
I'm not chasing after
Liking that bitch on stream.
So I'm just letting them come up to me, bro. They rizzing me up, bro. I ain't rizzing, you know what I'm saying, them up. But that's a lot of motherfuckers' problem, bro. Like, every nigga out here is chasing after the hoes, bro.
See?
Filling up the bitch's head thinking that they the shit whole time, bro. The niggas is chasing, bro. Just chill. You know what I'm saying? That type shit. Hold on, what's your name was?
Dina.
Dina.
Yeah.
Well,
Mhm.
YouTube.
Nah, I actually just bought this motherfucker the other day, so I'm just checking it out.
Hey,
Hell yeah. Where you from?
Michigan.
Word.
Sorry, I can't be a man. Sorry, she a fucking fan. Oh, these fucking fan. I would get up and do the dance. Hold on. Did he fuck up?
You a very good, kind-hearted individual, man. You didn't judge me at all right here.
Oh, she didn't.
Nah, it's tough, man. Hold on.
That's valid.
Right there, man. You went straight forward, though.
Bro, he's due.
Well, I like to see right
But
there, man.
I don't know, man.
You use my friend Pari.
I just bought this
This is my
motherfucker,
friend
bro.
Pari.
Bro, don't count. Like, come on, bro.
I look good.
Bro,
I'm a famous TikToker.
A word?
she a famous TikToker.
I be doing everything goofy.
Type shit.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Well, nice to meet you, man. Bro, why the fuck I come back from being on the strip? Every day I've been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks and shit.
Yo! Imagine you get a B&B. Y'all spending y'all bread on snacks for niggas in the crib. Y'all buying the drinks and shit. Y'all buying the chips and shit. And it's always like it's always them niggas who are like, nah, I don't feel like going out. Nah. It's like the 2 to 3 niggas. And you come back, it's just some niggas just in your shit eating all your food, bruh. Nah, that's nah, you got it, bro. Bitch got 5K followers. You know who that is? Yeah, that shit. Now that thick chick, she valid. She cool.
3-4 gummy bears. Tripping, man. Damn, bro.
Nah, I ain't letting nobody come in them bitch and eat my snacks. And that's on me. You touch my snacks, you're fighting me. I swear to God. Jay, you gonna go out with some snow bunny, don't you? Okay, no, ain't nothing wrong with the snow bunny. Ain't nothing wrong with the snow bunny, you feel me? But yeah, that's it.
I'm in the zoo with the lions and apes and bears.